Hey guys, so right now it is raining so much, and stop it, and it's raining so much outside, but I had a great day. We were eating outside and everything, and it just started raining. At first it was just like little drops, and then it started going really hard, and then we were running back and forth to the fence and back. Oh, it was pretty fun. And we're in the back too. It's not even like in the front or anything. It was pretty fun. So that's pretty much all I wanted to say for today. So peace out.